Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I was enjoying thoroughly, and then all the examples were really fantastic. I think we missed that in our online program. Definitely, like one-to-one physical is way better than the online course we had. I mean, I had with you. So I didn't expect this. I mean, this is. I was expecting when I saw you first time, I thought it will be something similar to that, but this is far better than what we had online. So
Okay.
definitely, and I was thinking that after cracking a joke, how you comfortably move back to your normal tone and normal, like again you are going back to topic very easily. I don't know, something to learn from you.
Okay.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Everybody else?
Apart from the regular communication skills or whatever you tend to teach, what I have observed is you're having a lot of influential skills also, like how to influence the people to take it into your way. So that really I appreciate.
Okay.
Like
Good.
you are influencing us like to follow what you are saying.
Okay. Not just telling you, but making you do it.
Yes.
Kind of. Okay, good.
I was able to sit.
Yeah.
I was able to sit continuously for 2 days, 8 hours in your session without getting bored.
Oh,
That was the impact of your
Right, even
training.
good, good. I'm glad.
I was like late night. I was working till 1 o'clock, but still I was feeling. My wife was telling, "How you will do training today? You will go and sleep." She was saying, "No, we'll see how it
Same
goes."
Okay.
I was also awake till 1, finished
Yeah,
my
and normally I used to get very bored in the training, especially this 2 days long and 3 days long, because I always blame the instructor only, because I never blame myself.
Correct, yes.
I always blame instructor.
I told you that, yeah.
They are not making me engaged. Okay, they are like, as you said, like somebody will go and read the sentences. What is there? We can also read it if the PPT is there. So it's completely different training. And
Okay.
I'm very happy that after a long period we are attending this.
I'm glad you like
Yeah,
that.
and
Yes.
I think this format is very good where we know, we see and get feedback, and the next day we actually see improvements in our own performance. I think
Yes.
it's more like learning
By
in the
doing.
training itself.
Yes.
A very effective way of doing the session.
Good, good, good. So, Urja, I don't think you learned much because what do you think?
No, like you said it, must say and can say, all of those inputs are something which I would definitely carry with myself. And you focus on each and every person in the training, usually that never happens. Like, maybe 1 or 2 just come present and okay, do you learn from their example? Every person is unique. So, and they have their own strength and their own weakness, and which is really, really important to address, which you did. And you finished within that time which is given to you. So one of the things that you really want us to incorporate is like time management. So I think that's really, really important.
Yeah. Great. Any other quick thoughts? Yeah.
So like even what I got to know here, even though you have not told me, okay Kranti, here you are lagging, but the way you have recorded my presentation, you replayed it back. So I realized, okay, here are the areas like you have to improve. Because if I'm going and saying somebody, hey, here are the improvement areas for you, so he will not accept easily. But your way of expressing this was really helping. Okay, so I got to know where I have to improve.
Correct.
So this is one thing like what I'm carrying.
It's like showing you a mirror. You saw it yourself, right?
That's actually very impactful because I have experienced the same thing. I used to tell my daughter all the time that her body language is not correct. She never used to realize, but while she was playing cricket sometime, it was all recorded in in one of the camps. And then we replayed it back. Then she was able to get it very fast, and then she was able to correct it. Similarly, even here also I felt the same thing. That was really helpful.
Good,
Recording
good.
the video. And sometimes what happens is like with few of the presenters, I used to get lost because the speed or the tone, everything was not matching. But with your session, I was able to not get lost. I mean, my what I feel is like sometimes when there is a pause, I'll switch on to something else. That is one of my weakness. So what happens is again I'll not come back so quickly. But here I was able to continuously follow you because the speed and the pitch and the tone, everything was like perfect.
Okay, good. Thank you so much.
I still wonder how you remember and grasp 80% of our names here. And we sitting here, pretty sure we don't match that one thing.